Hey guys, it's vikishub here. So today I'll be reviewing some of my old DIY videos, like basically some of the designs I've done in the past. All right, so I know sometimes some of you guys may be wondering, like, does the design last, and since it's a DIY and all that, right? So I want to take up on the task of reviewing some of the designs I've done from some past 2 years, some 3 years ago. So just to show you guys what it looks what it looks like now versus when I first did it like years ago. So the first one I'm gonna review is this dress. All right, so I'm just going to insert a little clip as to how I made this design. So I'm going to try it on and just review basically the difference between then and now. Alright, so this is what this looks like right now. Alright, so I'm gonna say this though, the write-up is still just as visible and just as bright as the first time I made it mostly, but the material is a bit worn out. Reason being that the material, actually I got this dress like maybe 3 4 years ago. I've worn it for a little while and it's a bit obvious at the back because I didn't make this write-up design at the back. All right, but as for the design itself, it's just still as obvious and visible and bright. So I'm gonna say this is sorry, I'm gonna say this: if you're planning, like you're contemplating on making a design with acrylic color just like this, all right, you can go ahead and do that. You don't have anything to worry about, but you just have to mix a little bit of glycerin because acrylic color tend to make a dress stiff. Like, the design tends to be stiff when you use acrylic color. So just make sure you mix a little bit of glycerin to soften it and make it glide easily. All right, so that's it for this. And yeah, you can go ahead and make a design with acrylic color if you choose to, and just mix it properly with glycerin and you're good to go. Any glycerin will serve. All right, it doesn't matter if it's vegetable glycerin or animal derived glycerin. So that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned.